Are you suffering from a chronic issue that is really affecting your quality of life every day, like a chronic digestive issue or just chronic headaches? Well, this case study is definitely going to be educational for you, and you should definitely stay tuned. Hi everyone, my name is Vanessa Ho, a licensed acupuncturist at Healing with Zen in Pasadena, California. If you are interested in seeing more case studies, check out our website at www.healingwithzen.com. And if you want to go ahead and book an appointment with us, call us at 626 377 9596. Let's go ahead and get started. So, our patient today is a 25-year-old female who came to see us starting in June of 2019. And she came in with two main symptoms. One was a chronic migraine that she'd been having since she was a child, and the other symptom was irritable bowel syndrome. And so she was having difficulty having regular and easy to pass bowel movements that were complete. She was one of the patients that we've seen who've had IBS for a very long time, again, since childhood. So when this patient first came to the office, she stated that she would have her migraines at 8 out of 10 in pain level, and these migraines would usually last about 4 to 5 hours before the pain dissipated. She was also taking a medication for it at the time of the start of treatment, and you'll see later on that she was able to get off of the medication, which was really great progress. Her IBS was actually diagnosed in 2017, but she had had symptoms for IBS or irritable bowel syndrome since she was a child, and this ran in her family. And so her pattern of bowel movements was basically going once every 2 days, but it was difficult to pass and it felt incomplete. So at this point, the patient is coming in twice every week, and by her second treatment with us, she stated that she did have a migraine on the morning of the second treatment, but she stated that, again, it lasted 4 to 5 hours. It was the same amount of hours as last time, but she did not have any nausea during this migraine, and she usually did have nausea. She also didn't have to take her pain medication during this time. She still had the same constipation symptoms, and at this second treatment, she had not passed a bowel movement in 2 days. By the patient's fifth treatment, her bowel movements were becoming more regulated, and she was passing them about once every day or once every 2 days, so there was improvement there. And she did have one headache in between her fifth and her fourth treatment. By the patient's sixth treatment, she didn't have any of her weekly migraines, which was a great improvement, and this was on July of 2019 at the end of the month. She is also still going strong on her new bowel movement regimen where she will go once every day or once every 2 days. By the patient's eighth treatment, she had bowel movements every single day that were complete and easy to pass. So that was great progress. Basically, we were able to regulate her bowel movements. And as for her headaches, she had not had any headaches or migraines since the middle of July 2019. So that was really amazing. We were able to take care of that within about a month and a half's time. And she was no longer taking her medication either for her migraines. So both of those major symptoms were regulated by the eighth treatment. By the patient's 12th treatment, she was able to regulate her bowel movements back to once every day, and they were complete and easy to pass. And not only that, but she had not had any migraines at all since mid-July of 2019. By the patient's 15th treatment, she still sustained her regulated bowel movements. It still was once a day, every day, complete and easy to pass, and this happened even with higher or lower stress levels. And she also did not have any headaches or migraines since July of 2019. After time progressed, we started seeing her 1 time per week, and by the 12th to 15th treatment that she had, we were seeing her once every 2 weeks. So that is generally how acupuncture works. If you're able to commit to coming in, putting in the time to heal yourself, we'll also do our part. And if you're able to commit to coming in more frequently in the beginning of the treatment process, then we're able to achieve results faster and start spacing out treatments faster, because you're going to be able to go into more of a maintenance of the symptoms that you're having instead of fully treating the symptoms and trying to alleviate it. Currently, the patient is coming in once every 2 weeks, and we plan on continuing this phase of treatment for another month until we start spacing her out even more. This patient also took custom herbal formulas from us at Healing with Zen during the mid portion of her treatment, and she was taking these herbs for around 2.5 months. These herbs were able to expedite her healing process and really balance out her body, as well as really helping with her main symptoms of IBS, constipation, and migraine. What was really great about her case is that she was able to take them, and she was really good about consistently taking them. And once she finished them in 2.5 months, she didn't have to take these herbs anymore. And she was still able to have sustained results with her acupuncture treatment. We do always recommend that our patients remember to take their custom herbal formulas during the times when they're getting acupuncture treatments to get the very best out of both of those healing modalities that we offer at Healing with Zen. So I hope you guys found this case study very helpful. And once again, my name is Vanessa Ho, a licensed acupuncturist at Healing with Zen in Pasadena, California. I hope you found this case study very helpful, and if you yourself are dealing with any issues with digestion or any chronic headaches or migraines, definitely come check us out at Healing with Zen in Pasadena, California. If you have any more questions, or if you want to check out other case studies, go ahead and see our website at www.healingwithzen.com. And if you want to go ahead and call in for a consultation, you can reach us at 626-377-9596. All right, I'll see you in the next case study.